Well, hello friends and fellow Disney fans. Welcome back to the Jamie Thomas Show. Today we are checking out a standard king-sized bedroom at the Disneyland Hotel. So we're going to show it to you, give a walkthrough, and give you our thoughts. So if that interests you, stick around.
So we are actually staying club level. So when you stay club level, you get one of these nice yellow cards, and that will allow you into the club level lounge, which has snacks and drinks throughout the day, evening desserts, breakfast in the morning, lots of awesome perks. So we are actually on the 10th floor. Concierge is just on the 11th floor and in the Adventure Tower, which most people want to be in the Adventure Tower because it's closest to the park. But the only way to guarantee that you are in this building is to be concierge. So let's show you guys our room. It is a king-size bed. So we have lots of floor space. And they actually renovated this carpet not too long ago. So it's all nice and fresh and clean. And there's a lot of hidden little Mickeys.
Hidden Mickeys, and all of the look of it is fireworks.
Yeah, I love that, eh?
So awesome.
Yeah, and then you got a little bench here to put your luggage. And they went to the platform beds, so there is tons of space for you to store your luggage underneath, which is really lovely.
That's a really nice feature that they've been doing more and more in their hotels.
It's great. Then we have a little closet over here. Now this one's a very tiny closet, but it's got the safe, it's got some extra pillows, blankets, and also robes.
Ooh la la.
And it says Disneyland Hotel.
Nice. Now, I actually don't think that's that small of a closet.
No?
No, I think that's nice.
Yeah, it's not bad. Like, it's not like you're gonna have somebody living in there, so you don't need a lot. Okay, and then here's the bedding. It says, a dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. And then the headboard here is super magical and special because it actually lights up, and it is the castle, Sleeping Beauty's castle. So let's see if I can turn it on.
Oh, you were so right.
See?
Oh, fun.
And the fireworks start going. So you can have your own kiss goodnight in your hotel room. And then here is your little coffee area. So they have Keurig, and it comes with coffees.
Nice.
And then you have a decent sized TV.
Always a big deal for me.
That is a big deal for Brad. And a cooler.
Standard.
Yeah, good size. And then you've got 3 dresser drawers there. That's not a whole lot, but that's okay. Who unpacks anyway?
Well, now,
And then we have a little desk area.
little work desk. Very nice.
Yeah. Disneyland Hotel does have in-room dining. So
room service.
yeah, lots of different nice little things that you could order from your room. And the prices aren't bad. Okay, let's show the bathroom now.
Bathroom.
And they do have connecting doors. So if you are a family that needs, to have multiple hotel rooms and you want them to all connect, you can actually add that as a request. And here is the bathroom. So shower tub combo. And if you look over here, there's all the H2O products. So you got conditioner, shampoo, all there. And then this is the vanity, of course. And look at the little...
I love
little Mickey hands.
the Mickey hands. That's always one of my favorite touches.
I know, I like that too.
So cool.
And then the toilet.
Toilet. It's got its own door. And then some art from the Jungle Cruise.
Did you notice on the bedding here, there's little Mickeys hidden in? I thought it was just a white top sheet, but
Whoa.
it's actually, can you see it?
Love it. More hidden Mickeys.
Yeah. Mickey.
Fantastic.
That's nice. So we want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch. If you are interested in booking a stay at the Disneyland Hotel, make sure to contact me. I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, so I can help you get the most out of your next Disney vacation. You can contact me through the website,
www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie quote.
Or you can contact me through email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.